Climate change is a fact, and its effects are hitting us hard. We're scrambling to find solutions while pollution and toxic emissions continue to rise. But what if there was a solution that could remove toxic emissions without having to replace our existing infrastructures? What if power companies, like coal power plants, could cut their emissions without huge investments? What if freight companies could continue running their ships, but cleanly, by simply plugging in an add-on solution? In our laboratory in Sweden, a team of expert scientists and engineers have developed a solution that we would like to share with the world to make this possible. We call it hydro-nano gas. By storing energy from today's power suppliers in the form of this gas, it can be used on demand in a range of applications. For example, it could be used to run generators, clean the exhaust from coal power plants, burn trash without emissions while simultaneously generating electricity, or simply be released into our oceans and waterways, reactivating the water's own living power to deal with pollutants, while promoting the overall health of our planet's ecosystems. If we use this technology to its full potential, it can turn climate change around. With a flexible, scalable technology like this, we will see applications in everything from our home aquariums to the biggest power providers in the world. And there's no time to wait around for a top-down solution, so we are developing tools to give individuals the power to demand this type of technology from their power companies now.
Okay, first of all, the hydro-nano gas comes out of the source of just pure water. It's a catalytic form of an intelligent plate that you have as a reactor, put into a device, and that device then, with just pure water, can creating a very, very reactive gas. That gas can then be implemented in many applications. And the first thing we find was urgent is to looking at the world's need for clean air. And what we did, we found that nano gas combining with fossil fuel will be a perfect match. You can produce it very close to the source, inject it in the power plant, and voila, in a minute you have a clean power plant. Don't rebuild it, don't need to reconstruct it, it's just an add-on situation. And also, this technology can then be deployed into solution of other things in the power plant, enhancing the production, clean out the ashes, all of other things that in the maintenance area. So it's so many other gains than just taking away the emissions. And all of that becomes now something that everybody can share. If everything goes the way that we see now, the application will be that every power plant on this planet have no emission at all. They still use coal, they still use probably oils and other things, but they will not emit anything.
We are here now with this technology to share with anyone that wants to join us in taking real action for the planet and ourselves. We turn awareness to knowledge so you can take action for generations to come.
Well, Niagara Falls is considered one of the wonders of the world, and it's one of the sources, the greatest sources of hydroelectric power from way back when. So your technology is such a perfect fit. What the World Green Energy Symposium is actually an educational, as you saw, forum for information exchange, and it actually goes from one area to another, and it goes where it's invited. And as you can tell by the other speakers here as well, it's phenomenal.
We're going to demonstrate in that. And you can see how little gas I use. no sort elements at all, completely blank. So, and then immediately suit again. It's no time, no reactions, nothing happens. It happened right there.
What impressed me most about Sven is that we actually had him as in one of the breakout rooms, and I personally saw when he was doing the demonstration how important of a demonstration it was.
As you've seen, the response from this conference, the World Green Energy Symposium, has been overwhelming. We have now personal reactions and actually showing from the heart that they really want to support this. But also on the corporate and authority level, which is resulting in that we are invited to Washington to discussing this deployment, and also a very good high-level meetings in New York. So all of that setting, turning back into this result. And we would say, we will be there and continue our mission.